Okay, we are walking into Northbrook Baptist Church and going into the sanctuary area because this is where the sale will be going on this evening. And as you can see, people have already started bringing things in, loading up the tables. So if you're in the area, stop on down because there's stuff for sale, and if you need craft stuff, it's here, okay? Check you guys later.
So I already bought a new Clip It Up for $5. What do you think? Pretty cool, huh? So come on out to the sale. You might find a bargain too. That's Northbrook Baptist Church in Cedar Rapids, Iowa, until noon on Saturday. See you there.